If you're wondering if there's a dual network acceleration available for Samsung Galaxy A57 5G, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. We can then go into the connections and then select the Wi-Fi. Now, usually you can find dual acceleration somewhere on the top, but as you can see, it's gone. We can also click on those three dots and go through all of the options right here. In Wi-Fi Direct, we won't be able to find it. In Intelligent Wi-Fi, we can find switch to better Wi-Fi networks and detect suspicious networks, but still there's no dual network acceleration. And in Advanced Settings, we can find sync with Samsung Cloud, managed networks, no dual acceleration there, Wi-Fi on and off history, Hotspot 2.0, allow WEP networks and install network certificates, but sadly there's no dual network acceleration available for this device. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.